Welcome to RPM. What is RPM? First of all, it's an acronym for Rockton Pricing Management, but more importantly, it's a powerful and flexible standalone pricing tool that integrates with your ERP system. It was designed to handle your most complex pricing scenarios using real-time data to calculate prices, including any adjustments. Let's take a look at some of the most popular features in RPM. Price calculations. These are one of the main reasons people purchase RPM. A price calculation allows you to add or subtract an adjustment to a price. This means you can add a fee or a discount, you could calculate margins, rebates, reimbursements, royalties, anything you need. These price calculations can update the base price or simply be an additional calculation that posts to your specified GL account. Date-driven pricing. The ability to base your pricing on dates is very important since price changes are typical. And the ability to have different overlapping date ranges can make your pricing setup so much easier. For example, you may have regular annual prices for your items, but then you might also run a sale for a special occasion. With RPM, you can set up those date ranges and it knows which price to use. Filtering. Not only can you filter based on pricing, but RPM offers you all sorts of ways to filter. This can be based on customer, item, location, but then also on attributes related to a customer, an item, a document. This is really just the tip of the iceberg. There is so much flexibility when it comes to filtering. Price sources. A price source determines where the price originates when the pricing engine is called. From that, RPM determines what the price should be and returns the price to the ERP. RPM offers various methods, including the ability to essentially layer your prices. Price methods. When you use RPM, you decide what price method you want to use. It can be static, dynamic, or hybrid. This tells RPM whether you want to tell the system to go find the best price or specify which price schedule to use. It's just another way RPM is flexible. Volume and tiered pricing. Many pricing solutions allow you to use quantity breaks and price based on quantity sold. RPM adds another level by allowing tiered pricing as well, so you could have multiple prices for the same line, simply based on the quantity sold. You'll make your customers happy with those volume discounts. Import-export. RPM offers the ability to import and export records. This makes adding, editing, and copying records in RPM simple and easy. It's also helpful for reporting. These are the main points of RPM, but there's so much more. Check out our other videos on each of these features. For a demo of RPM, contact our sales team at sales@rocktonsoftware.com or call 1-877-4-ROCKTON.